Running out of outlets can be frustrating. Today, I'm reviewing one top-rated power strip to see if it offers the protection, convenience, and value you need for your home or office. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Product name: SUPERDANNY Power Strip Surge Protector with 22 AC outlets and 6 USB charging ports, 6.5 feet mountable flat plug extension cord, 1875W/15A, for home, office, dorm, gaming room, 2,100 joules. The SUPERDANNY Power Strip Surge Protector is a practical solution for anyone who needs to power multiple devices from a single outlet. With 22 AC outlets and 6 USB charging ports, it's perfect for home offices, gaming setups, entertainment centers, dorm rooms, and workshops. It provides plenty of space for large power adapters while keeping cables organized. A major advantage is its 2,100 joule surge protection, helping protect valuable electronics like computers, TVs, gaming consoles, and networking equipment from unexpected power surges. The built-in USB ports also let you charge phones, tablets, and other devices without using additional wall chargers. The 6.5-foot extension cord and flat plug make it easy to place behind furniture, while the mountable design helps create a clean and organized workspace. This power strip is ideal for users with lots of electronics, but if you only need a few outlets, it may be larger than necessary. Overall, the SUPERDANNY Power Strip offers excellent capacity, convenience, and reliable protection, making it a smart choice for U.S. homes and offices. That's my review of this top power strip. If you need a safer and more convenient way to power your devices, this could be the right pick. Check the link below for the latest price and more details. Thanks for watching.